it started, bro. This is big. I was in Nigeria like a week ago. Nenkolayo interview with some big guy, blogger bichi. Mickey still went and made a negative comment. You see that guy is himself? A hater. Yes. That guy now is just a hater. He's not a normal guy. The hell, man? That's just being a hater. And hate comes from something. Either you feel like, man, because I'm 24, bro. I'm 24. You can see stuff.
It's a watch.
I said Jeff.
Hey, Gwemadenzi Jako.
Wali wanna be.
Yeah.
So I've
don't use strong words. That's a very strong word.
No.
Wanna be.
He just wants to be.
Yeah, that's
yes.
You pretending what you want to be, but chizicholi.
Go check his comments on all videos to do with trading. You can sense it. I know how to read people. You see, man. Hey, say, man, chill.
Jeff is a wannabe.
Yes.
Tulina ba Jeff banji.
Tell me it's a loyal Jeff.
Yes.
Loyal Jeff. See Royal Jeff. Loyal Jeff.
Why do you remove R?
Loyal Jeff.
Lwachi loyal. Nti abawulinga joli. Ibawuze.
I'm telling you. Let me tell you the thing.
Those words are different. Royal and
loyal Jeff. See
so he bows.
Yes. Okay, firstly, there are two options. The first option is to stay in their lane. This is a different thing, bro. This is a different thing. We are so big. We are young, we are rich, we are big. Oboshegira, bali bakola comedy, zenkola trading, I inspire the world. I teach people how to make money. I show young people the way. Those are totally different things, you understand? So there are two things. Either let them stay in the lane.
What's their lane?
Ngawe na Gambia comedy bichi, you know, yes, babiri.
Ogenenga kuchi
nera
yes, ogenenga comedy store balabe.
Yes, nera make singa tegeka ye chivulo. Pity.
You support.
Very well. Antakola comedy.
Every last year alikula bonita.
Last year. So if you can organize one this year, actually I'll buy like multiple tables just for my boys and stuff. Then Jeff simanyi byakola.
Aina studio.
Katika
ana no mchala Apple. Aina ne Range Rover. Omuzi za kumuli.
Ola kati.
Ya signinga ya tulikuza Truth Media, just go subscribe, like, follow. Ndine Vidollar. Nakude we wanira mu kyemyaka. Etwagala tukubuze watandika okola D. Ngogamba abona ne emyaka mito. Anyway, tugenda kutuuka yo with a battle right now with social media. It's about it's between you make it seems too funny.
Yes.
Nagazo kulaba ne Royal Jeff.
Yes.
And Royal Jeff ndoza bujada anonya gwatandikana yo lutalo. Nga bali mu shape yem buli kibunga tamufuna kati yamufunye. Kiri kitya anko.
Differentiation.
Oli clear.
Nyo. Bitambula biti.
Mpola. Fe tuliwo kubanga tutunulira ebintu ebigenda mu maaso. Ekisookera ddala. When we saw that battle, the first question yazze ku streets. Vidollar yani.
Well, Vidollar is a 24-year-old guy.
You're 24?
Yes.
With dollars?
Yes. So 24, rich young guy who does trading, forex trading.
Forex?
Yes. So even away from trading, I also train people on how to do the business. So business in Jimazemu 5 years now, and I've made a lot of money. The only thing is that I've not always been out. So Shegi, in the public, yes.
What has made you come out to come public?
So many people are asking me the same question.
What would they?
Katika Akubye, yalaba. Ekisookera ddala kiri nti people can only believe if they see the results. Obontegeye. What you watch, I think there's a Luganda phrase. I can't remember well. But people's eyes are in the hands. I know kulaba nagamba, okay, man, this is it. So ngenda kuwayo example. So this trading business has been there for a long time. Now it's also hard for someone to start. Yeah, so
from Anyamugamba.
Exactly.
Super life.
No. Ngenda kugamba, this is different. When I see most guys comparing trading with Mwana byaki.
Wait, you know what Falla Life did, people?
I've always seen those things, and trading is totally different. Totally. Ngeda kubulia how the business works. You understand?
A little bit, give me a synopsis of that business. Kwa muntu alia omugamba nti 5 years you've been in this business, and right now otugamba you super rich with dollars. Nerinya no lichusa ne wetuma Vidollar.
Yes. So kankubuli, this is how the business works. Trading is the exchange of money. Obontegire. Oyina dollars in Ugandan shillings. Nkuwezange nompezi zo shegire. Over what forex bureaus do. But the difference is, this time around, everything is being done online. So as long as you have your phone or your laptop and internet, then you can trade. Yes, so the business is there. It's been there since Semaina Kumanya. Banks trade, bankers, Zomani. There's always those traders inside. So now the problem comes in a sense of katuwali obana oli alaba business impya. Oba bante bagitegira bulungi. So what they do now is bagira mwa yaga man mpa sente zo ngenda ku trading then you understand. Scammers. Now that's a scam. Obo shegira
and kati mwa batufu mulimu ne bali ba scammers kati batulekera close and mwena you are scammers.
Yeah, now that's the problem, and that's what I'm trying to break. Obo shegira nakugambye ze business jimazemu emyaka 5 natandika nga ndi muto. I was just a high school guy.
Ogame ine miaka 29.
Yes.
Watandiko ine miaka 19.
Yes, 19.
No tandika business.
Yes.
Who introduced you to this business?
I don't know. I just introduced myself. I've been a hustler since day one. So after senior 6, obimanyi hustle shegi simanya atokoze wano katinze chenakola. I just took the online route. Nganda, but what can I do? Then at some point nakola ko other gigs simanyi kuba bifana bichi
like sketch photography.
No, photography.
What do you call photography?
Yeah. I think for like a week or two. Yeah. Then engezako online businesses simanyi you can grow Instagram accounts and then sell them. Then nenzula trading. Actually, at the first point I thought maybe it's a scam, because that's what everyone thinks. Because whenever you see an online business, I mean, you're in Uganda, washegira bro.
See Uganda yoka.
Ndoza Uganda kwanga mbeya ne Kenya. Bali babufu sibya wano. Washegira. So maybe it's a scam or some. So I started digging down.
Okay.
Business nejitegia ni manya this it. And that's how I got here. I left campus nali first year ngankola civil engineering nali nsomera Ndeje.
Ndeje University.
Yes. Nembita. Actually I used tuition to start trading.
No kosa tuition? Okutandika.
Yes sir.
Kati balike bibe basoma okufuna gwe byolina.
Bro,
tewadayo kusoma. Kama so first year just like this.
Not even first year, just miezi ebiri. Nasasulayo 50% nga just kuwera mu hostels. Ndeje we stay in hostels like dormitories. Baba milkers nyamuli bichi kati ze my plan was kambele wano for like a month or two. Nenga ankolo shegia.
Do your parents know this into wamalako?
Then katachi my auntie, the thing was I didn't tell them when I was making the decision. I didn't, because they are so tough for shegia. So zanalinchi if I say that, bro.
Boko.
Yes, so shegia. So what came in my hands like chengendo kola, I'm just going to work hard. Work.
And Vidollar, let me go with the words on street.
Yes,
right now. Videmu katini words on street.
Yes.
Moja ne mtu gama in that sense. Ngate muva mu well of families. Ne mtu misleading nga one. No tu gama bichi nengo already. You have a background waka.
No. Now my story is different. I'm self-made, bro. Self-made from scratch. Really? Yes. If I can give you just a story, I've grown up in a family of about 8.
And so you are
number? I'm the middle child.
Okay.
4th, yeah. Natandikira ku 0. Do you understand 0, bro?
I know, I do.
Yes. I'll tell you more of the story.
So everyone is 0 depends what watandikide.
Katinze kankubuli. When I was starting, I had an ITEL phone. ITEL. I can't remember.
Cancer.
Oh yeah, mukama yanyamba. So all I had was an ITEL phone. Then for learning, byonna nabigira ku YouTube, because all this stuff is always there.
On YouTube, yeah, true.
Yes. Sente mukutandika nga sinakozesa tuition. I would just talk to my brothers and sisters. Pa ye mitwale 2. ngamba you know nampaye ebyesatu
bawa younger brother wabo
yeah oshegeera kati nentuka ku stage nga nkola sente naye entono
nga kizoyita entono
si nyingi nnyo anti nkozesa 10,000 nkozeeyo 2,000 ninja I want big things oshegeera so now that's how I came up with a decision. Lockdown, actually I think it was lockdown 2021 when it was lifted a bit nga tudda ku masomero. I said enough of this, I'm taking this route.
It's a tough decision because muzadde wakuwadde tuition and if you wonga mati you're in a humble background
sigenda kulimba. That was the hardest decision in my life.
Tomanyi tata just said azikuwadde osome.
Yes, ate no yali ayagala mbeere engineer, like you know those parents say we want
they
an
agreed on
engineer
what they think you should be.
Yes, that was a very difficult decision, but I'm so happy and thanks to God that I'm here. I've done big things, very big.
Okay, your decision to come online okuvaayo to portray your image to the public, you know, it comes with a lot of ebigambo bingi, ebyogerwa biba bingi, ebikolwa biba bingi. Don't you think is it a right decision okuvaayo kutandika okweraga public?
So firstly, again, I'll first talk about why I'm even doing this.
Yes.
I've inspired many young people. Bro, if we can...
In silence?
Yes. Actually, no, let me tell you. I've been public, but not this sexual biz or something. I've inspired, I would say, millions, bro. Away from Uganda, Kenya, Africa. I have a very big online community of about 500,000 people, bro. Nenga. Bam, actually, I know guys know me. Banji, but now this is what happens with trading. Trading business, your lifestyle. You understand? It's like it's a flex. The way man, I'm a trader. It's a flex. So it's like someone saying, ono muyimbi, ono trader. Yes, those the TikTok guys, they want to also be traders. Bagament Jeff na ye trader. Anyway, yes. So as again back to what I was saying, bro, binge, like I've done a lot of things, but now this is the whole point. People get inspired when they see. Bova onongamba, man, I have a Range Rover, Simanyi, I have a Benz. Where is it? Anyone can just come out and say, I have this, or I have a watch, or I have... Yes, but at this point, bro, look, I'm 24, you could be 21, you can make it. Look what I've been able to do. Yes, so that's the purpose right now. Because if I don't do that, bro, then I'm doing a disservice to the country, to God and myself.
And you're creating you yourself abantu aba ate be wani wadde change
omwana huyo yanjigiyako yaza Mercedes
yagira ku
yes
tontegule meme na
no ogena mulaba mwana muto
really
bro, I'm telling you. So that's the thing. If you can't show people that it works through the results, then no one is going to believe.
We have a belief in Uganda. Tuine ndowooza you and you people.
Yes.
Atojide mukasera akafu okuvaayo nga we heading to the elections. Abantu babalooza muzenga distraction. Abamu muli mu money laundering, then after you disappear.
No. Okay, firstly, I'm not even into politics. I have no idea. Go game azima. The next thing, business. I've been in the business. Actually, people who watch YouTube can go see my story. I've been documenting my story for 4 years.
I saw some clips on TikTok.
Yes. So, you know, the good thing about working is big things can't happen in a night. Like, you can't wake up and find waguze nyumba, waguze motoka, it takes time. So that's the difference. Tell bala now social media. Aton naze, you know, babadeo for a short while then disappears. Bro,
now
the difference is Katingafe or me myself. I have a business. What I do is a business. It makes money. almost every day. So I could spend 3 million today, but I made like 10, 20, sometimes, okay, the maximum, you could even go 50.
Okay. So oli aja genda kwepangeko, akwate capital mlegwe ngoli ku magoba.
Baleke. Tobabusa, Zimbabwe. I see. Man,
then
crazy.
This battle of yours, Gwene Mickey. Let me first go with Mickey. This battle of yours with Mickey. So, is it a planned battle or so visible?
No. Katingenda kubulia, to be honest, whoever is against trading is against us as the trading community, and it's so big. All young people believe in me, believe in trading. You understand? Because singa mika vayo na agama mbata trade nzembera mbiyabo shegia. So I think it was like on social media. I think we did a video with yali chicken.
Yeah.
Na ajitekayo. Then when abana actually making it.
Nzena naba chicken alese mutowe ndaba mufana gana mngamba chicken alese mutowa mtusibeko.
Actually agamba tufana gana.
Yes.
So what happened?
Nato obuzimanyita tawa chicken is my good friend.
So twatekayo video. I saw Mickey because they are noticeable. They have an an audience.
Yeah,
so if they spread negative,
if
they spread negativity, then they're spreading it to everyone.
Yeah.
Katingawe nakugambia, whoever is against trading is against us. And I'm the leader, so I had to take on. So Mickey sima incha aliko naye bino tabisobola na byaba nene bichuka mukongenda kubulira. Things change, the classes.
Waze mu space ye uli mugitwala maybe. That's what I'm thinking.
Na well
oli mukuba audience ya msajja
katika nkubulire omanyi, we need to understand the whole point. Me to tell you Mickey trades yeye ka trading. Now what's happening is most guys get in and they can't hit results katinganze.
He does.
Me, I can tell you for sure. Most guys trade, and I'm very, very confident.
And they stay in bakwesa abantu, yeah?
Yeah, one. I'm telling you.
No.
So all those guys just want to be referred to as traders. But it's so hard to come out. So now they show it over. Someone has tried it, failed. Man, why can't I be like Vidollar? Because at least Katinganze, someone can know, man, this guy is Vidollar, he's been trading for 4 years, he has this, you know that man, Gamba. Now, these are the things that you can see. Have other things that won't even go in media.
Before the comment, Gundi did you know Mickey before?
Of course, I've always watched Mickey's skits and
from a distance.
Yes. And about comedies, stuff. But now that he's against us, well,
I know.
No, very much.
It has to be a face-off now. Then nze nokusoka nadde ngambo bamwe mwakatadde oli najja na commentinga gweno Vidollar akunonya then wono naddamu oyo yani that thing of oyo yani kakuteko
bubi nnyo yani atamanyi. Now this is the thing. Ni mwana social media ya kisire oli abeera kumanyi naye. Of course, I mean it's social media shege. So it's just like me ola watuli wano kati then out of the blue kumenya sikumanya oboshege bana abana these are loyal followers nga kugoberera, because let me tell you, me I started doing TikTok also in like 20 edda bamika katandika. Actually by then trading it was so big because it was something new shege. So even those makers were there and all that. So when someone says, hey man, I've seen this guy grow from here, man.
And he's saying takumanyi
that's
akato kalumo omuntu nga ali namo
ajandawe ajandawe.
Then the war escalated to a motoka.
Yes.
Wangu ya Miki ogamba
and now there things change. Ndozo bilabo kati waliwe your Benz then Range Rover yao shege kati awo bichuka muko yeah
mugena kunyumisa social media manyurachi noli neta yagala kulekera muntu n'atulya nga koledde live
ajje
ate kino nalaba
kugambye ndi wakabi. Actually let me tell you, I'm such a cool guy. But now when you bring chaos, I don't take that, bro. Oshegira. If you bring your nonsense to our business and all that, and now that doesn't work. So he must face it. Just waiting.
Mika na where yakonede ku business yo.
Nakugambye da. It started, bro. Let me. This is big. Oboshegira. I was in Nigeria like a week ago. Nenkolayo interview with some big guy, blogger bichi. Mickey still went and made a negative comment. You see that guy is himself? A hater. Yes. That guy now is just a hater. He's not a normal guy. The hell, man? That's just being a hater. And hate comes from something. Either you feel like, man, because I'm 24, bro. I'm 24. You can see stuff. You can see stuff all over. Oh, by the way. I saw very funny comments on TikTok today. And today I have cars, I have watches. Then some guys in the comments like, oh, Nisa Ojibaze.
They don't know how that one.
Yeah.
By the way, those are you're gonna fit like Chisawanga Chala is but me who does entertain.
Yes.
Babala abantu with a belt, shoe, and a watch.
Yeah. All I know here in Uganda, people that have these watches, the politicians and big businessmen. Simanyi owner of Airtel, like Simanyi owner of this hotel, Simanyi minister. Yes. I'm not even sure about the artists here. So
can Mickey afford this?
Guy. No. Let me now. That's where things change.
That's where things change. Yes. No take that into katiliji yoli mkuzanyira ko ndala. Mickey. It's a watch.
At a Jeff.
Hey, gwe madenzi jako.
Wali wanna be.
Yeah.
So I've
don't use strong words. That's a very strong word.
No.
Wanna be.
He just wants to be.
Yeah, that's you pretending what you want to be, but chizicholi.
Go check his comments on all videos to do with trading. You can sense it. I know how to read people. It's man. He say, man, chill.
Jeff is a wannabe.
Yes.
Tulina ba Jeff banji.
Tell me it's a loyal Jeff.
Yes.
Loyal Jeff. See Royal Jeff. Loyal Jeff.
Why do you remove R?
Loyal Jeff.
Lwachi loyal. Nti abawulinga joli ibawuze.
I'm telling you. Let me tell you the thing.
Those words are different. Royal and
loyal Jeff. See
so
Royal
he bows.
Jeff. Yes. Now I told you earlier on, being a trader is a flex. Now that's the biggest thing. So all these guys now want to just you can't be Oshegira. So now you're just trying to be that guy.
That what turns into you pretending to be.
Yes.
They are pretending.
Yes.
You living the real.
Yes.
And then but in your shadow
type exactly. Or watch take it. Yeah.
Vidollar Narabye omwana aparedinze motoka wali azitadde wali n'abakyala abajje studio je yakola agijeyo nengamba Royal Jeff yoyo waffe gutinawo yekka
kati reka nkubuulire. Actually if I don't know if I'm even supposed to count everything here.
No.
You know Vidollar. Okay, give an estimate of the watch itself.
Ebiri ejaddo.
Ezo nyingi. Ne yakanana is $1. Now I have other pieces, 3
of these.
No, different. Yes, one is 15,000. Another is a very small one. It's about 4,000. Sizanya, are you guys even doing the math? 8,000 is 30 million.
Andi kati nze wembulidde nze noonya za rent. Mitwala 5 goli kusawe esasula omwaka mulamba. Kati wembulidde ni math ne muvaamu. Nengamba I can't be count tani kagenda mu math nga gwendi naye rent wangu omwaka amwamba.
I actually want to buy one. It's like 200 million or something. Yeah, so you see.
I know. So where do you want these people, but no, the two Sizanya sola na chibaita wakati utalo mulimu lwa sente ya bugagga kati mbayitani you and them gwe oyagala level basigale kweriwa nga gwe
olaba. Okay, firstly there are two options. The first option is to stay in their lane. Bino tebabiyingi. This is a different thing, bro. This is a different thing. We are so big. We are young, we are rich, we are big. Oboshegira bali bakola comedy zenkola trading. I inspire the world. I teach people how to make money. I show young people the way. Those are totally different things. You understand? So there are two things. Either let them stay in the lane.
What's their lane?
Ngawe na Gambia comedy bichi, you know, yes, babiri.
Ogenenga kuchi
nera if yes,
ogenenga comedy store barabe.
Yes, nera make singa tegeka ye chivulo. Pity.
You support.
Very well. Antakola comedy.
Every last year alikula bonita.
Last year. So if you can organize one this year, actually I'll buy like multiple tables just for my boys and stuff. Then Jeff simanyi byakola.
Aina studio.
Katika
ana no muchala Apple. Aina ne Range Rover. Omuzi zakubuli.
Ola kati
yasayininga yawa bayimbi ne DJ.
You see, now that's why I said he just wants to be a trader. Oh mani, now things change. At least Mick is known as a comedian. Akola comedy. Kati wali wono ye. We don't even know. What does he do? Now that's why you try to hide like, man, listen, you're a bit of trader.
You know, I love it when we go back to the days of people abalina munga bedising. We've been missing that. Kakati.
Yeah, man. I just feel like, bro, I'm a different guy, different class, so different, bro.
So different.
Very different.
You're inspiring.
I don't know if you even feel the energy being here. Oh, what's it? Bro, it's different.
So the bar is low.
Very low. Very low.
And wetaga muntu ali at least lifting a banga erikupiko nawe.
Exactly. Oh, chitegi. So, man, it's...
So what am I going to tell my guys? What am I going to tell my guys? Roy, Jeff, and Mickey.
Yeah.
I really don't know.
Stay in your lane. Kola comedy or walk kozevichi, or just come first, me then.
Can they reach you?
Well, they could make an appointment. We'll make it happen.
To meet you, they have to make an appointment.
Yeah.
Okay.
How easy was it to get here?
I know. So with the areas, so we're counting differences.
Yeah, I guess.
Area codes. People are making money and they are.
By the way, now this is a very serious thing.
Away from Mickey and Jeff, on a serious note, business side, you're helping the youth.
Yes.
I was that way single.
Yes. Gambia, I've been in the business for 5 years. Then 3 years down, I started teaching people how to trade.
Okay.
Bro, I've taught many people, very many. If you want, we can have this guy come share something. Anyway, I told you, these are young people, and these people actually, because I started going public and teaching guys in 2021. That's when they also got in. There's so many now. There's the Benz, other guys have, you know, those Benz C200 So I've been in there, and it's a big thing when you can also lift the world. That's why I mentioned it earlier. I see it as greed. When you have something that is working,
you cannot share.
Yes. Yes. Now the good thing about trading is temporary competition. I'm not competing with anyone. No. There is no competition, bro. You can trade. I can trade. There is no competition because it's global. It's global. For example, you can be here trading. Someone else is in USA now trading. I think it's a global final. Yes. So temporary competition in Vidollar causes saying
and obviously we never na Uganda.
Yes.
When we discover something that newe chwa solo kuyamba masses, oyagala that abo baberenga bakutambuliyako bwe gwe boss gwe kabaka.
Now, to be honest, that's a very, very evil thing. Olaba mwene nsi mwana. Okay, there are many things that I've gotten to learn. When you give, you get. Oshegira. Nze sigenda kulimba. When you give, you get.
Okay.
Then katika mbuze. Now you see, like now, I think like last week I had like some of my traders come here, okay? And these are young people. They have cars. We were bowling, we were having fun. So it doesn't take a thing or cost a thing me to share the skill. The other guy learns, the other person learns. Because, bro, this is Uganda. We all need money. We all need to get rich. We all need to live a good life. So, man. But I also think those things are now just we are now in a new generation.
Lifting each other is
you came here because someone else directed you here.
True.
So it's just
connection.
Exactly. If you have an idea that's working, it doesn't
network with it.
Exactly, bro.
Okay. So about the Vidollar, the instance of this interview, one, I wanted to know, I saw him at Bebe Cool, though I didn't confront you. I was busy with some other things. Then I saw you in the interview, then in the group entertainment, people, there was a long chat to people about you, Vidollar, something like. Then I saw Mickey's well. Then I was curious with some of my friends going, but we've seen people coming and go. Then I don't know to move by a little bit the age. Wow. No, maybe if I get a chance, then one of my friends nakola ko interview.
Oh yeah.
Then nimubuza wait, by the way madenjagala guy mukola ko. I have questions zinge zange. That's when I got to by the interview, though tubadde a little bit of a comic side but what you've shared with them, I think people can pick a leaf.
Very much. For sure.
Pick a leaf. So when wayagala okusubula tugambe China buy with Joseph. Ali China so okusubuza ebintu nabirete Uganda number kwezi yoko, you can get to him. Wayagala ogule moto Kasula Motors e Machindi. Junction ya Salama Road, Sula Motors ngo clear ku Entebbe Road. Africa Oil, then Sula Motors. Tubale ne Vidollar, then we meet some other time. Thanks for having me.
Bro, thank you so much.
Mwendi wo empewo nzisa ya njawulo era bwe nkoma weeyo munsemberere mpola. Okay, tukyali ku The Truth Media, just go subscribe, like, follow. Charlie ne Vidollar, these are some of the products we can talk but so okwogerako nabo. Abadde wano nga bojide mu Benz. Mwe mukikola mutya?
Sente mweziri mu katale.
Sente mweziri mu katale?
Mweziri mu katale.
Kuchikombuli ekikola kitya Vidollar abadde wano nga nnyonnyola. Nangamba ayagala mpeeko omu ku ba student abantu bayigiriza. Mukikola mutya? Kintu kitambula kitya?
Okay, kati olaba ekintu kino kya forex trading olina kusooka kukitegeera nti ndowooza okimanyi nti business ezinga ziri mu kudda digital. Business ezinga ziri mu kudda digital. So abavubuka abasinga abali eyo tunoonya ekintu kye tusobola obbanga tukola nga tukikola nga kiri digital ate nga tetukakaalukana nnyo. I think forex trading is one of them. Waliwo nnyingi dropshipping ne tezinnakyakanye ene waffe. Naye kati ffe tufunye chance in forex trading badani ero bantu amubalabirako naffe ne tukola ki ne tumutandika era ebibala bikola ki bitandisolabika.
Okay. Gwe okusooka nga obiyingiramu tewalowooza nti no it's a scam.
Banga lyonna ebintu byonna ebyonline buli muntu abalowooza bya scam. Naye nze ng'omu nasooka ne nkola research ku trading ono nti bikola bitya okitegeera ne mmanya trading ono yatandika mwaka ki yatandika mu 1800 fa 2000 bagenda okubba.
Talk about it by that.
Abantu abadde okuva 1800 bakola trading kati fa ab'omu 2000 fe bagenda okubba nolabanga tekiwa nnyo makulu nakitegeera ne mbitandika mpola mpola.
Wena myaka emeka?
22.
Vidollar ina 24. Where you people? And you cruising a Benz, yali mu Range Rover Blue Tech.
Ate nga nze nalabira ku ye kitegeeza nange ate baliwo abandabiddeko. Kisinga singa natandika naye osanga nange mukama.
Tokyekuumidde. Nawe oyigiriza banno.
Tusomesa.
Musomeseza ddala.
Tusomesa.
Manyifu wano tuli mu Uganda tulina bakayita n'akaliira kange.
Oli wazula akati alina kesigaliza.
Yekka.
Tusomeseza ddala.
Ebigenda ku social media wadde biraba abantu nga bayingira gye gundi Vidollar.
Mbalaba naye waliwo omulenge.
Bo balowooza nti nno.
Yajja n'akumitinga ku video yange nti nimba abantu.
Ani?
Wali awo omulenzi.
Mwogera ategeera addemu amagezi yadde engulu. Ani agenda?
Abide baloyo Jeff.
Hey, sorry. Okubisiza omusajja. Linda.
Nando oyo mwana namulabanga ng'agula Range Rover nga nzidi mwana muto.
Kati omusinga sente omita na mwana.
Asijja gamba nti musinga sente.
Ate engeri gy'ogambye oyo omwana namulaba.
Simanyi kiri mu nsawo ye. Era aba mwana.
Yajja n'agamba atya?
Yajja n'agamba nimba abantu forex tebiriiyo.
Why do they come and comment such on your mugundi?
Kati nekirala nze nyiza obutamunenya nnyo because abantu abasinga bali ignorant about these online businesses. Tebazikoze ko research kimala kumanya nti eno ekola bwete nekola bwete ate netuba n'ekintu nti abantu abamu baba biddemu mu online businesses ezimu kati omuntu olabanga akriticizing forex trading oyinza obutamunenya nnyo okitege oyinza obutamunenya nnyo n'ogamba okay ayinza obba omanyi omusota gwe gwali gulumyeko
ne bwalaba omuguwa kiba kikumi
asoba nga ayina past bad experience okuva mu businesses endala naye abantu bena abali abatulaba forex trading tali bwatyo. It's a legit online business. Gyosobola okukolera ewakaawo ng'otudde as long as you have the skill. Okitegeera nti kasita ofuna skill ate ye ekirungi ekiriyo kasita okitegeera oba okimaze kiringa mulimu gwa mutwe ng'abantu abagendera ku institute ne bayiga okutunga ebyalaani kola biki yalinga trading okitegeera kasita okiyiga obeera ne freedom eyo ate kali ekyatwongerako nti tojja bana mukamaawo okitegeera so bba wano nti kati kangendeko e Dubai kangendeko e Malaysia nga twalagambye nti owaayo olagawo okomawo ddi.
Okay, kintu munalabula ennyama tone bakiyingira tebakyonoone. Aren't you guys scared of that?
Okay, this is it. Ekintu twanditagambye nti no kiyinza otiisaamu zandibadde government regulations. The government ejatandika regulating industry blah blah. Naye of which buli business zonna eziri wano e Uganda zisasula omusolo naffe tugusasula naye indirectly nti government erina ebintu ebiregulating a business nti wano kino nti ba forex trader balina kweyisa bati balina kolayo bati balina kolayo bati tekinnajja ewaffe CMA yaffe tennakiraba ndowooza. Naye kimanyi nda near future abantu bagenda maaso okugibuka business ne government ejajulejule.
So you guys are ready to obey?
Yeah, you're ready to obey
if it comes up.
Yeah.
Okay. Ogamya amanya
forex giant.
Aliya go inalitisa
Forex giant, yeah.
Okay, anyway, people, those that first get to them know what they are doing, then you guys start criticizing. Otherwise,
olaba omuntu abatasosa kujaja ujetulie.
No, I mean to understand you guys.
People first make research about forex trading. That your way back Google ina information, your site your name information here. Kola research forex trading. Whatever na ngeri yonso mutandika mulo je.
Anyway, to come here for today, we meet some other time. I think his biggest issue is with Royal Jeff. Your copy that
by the way.
That throw-ins zote come they are not necessary. Anyway, we meet some other time. The Truth Media go to birthday. We at residency Vidollar. Munonyerezeko temumufuna bubi. Temumulwana munonyerezeko mutegere butegeezi ndowooza.
Aine gwe kiremye otegera business agireke. Fenere tulina baba gaga. Olinga kimulemye otegera. Business gireke. So kolera mutawoni gye wali.
Watumye kukulekana bitabo. Anyway.